accused drug dealer in jail. Florence County deputies arrested 55-year-old Ewart Brown today after they reportedly found 2 kilos of cocaine and a pistol in his car. He's now awaiting a bond hearing, facing drug trafficking and weapons possession charges.
Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Boy, mad COBRA, me don't know what I go on, dog, but like you get yourself in some hot water. Now, really and truly, me think about it, cause I see the news coming in and I know enough people are going to jump on it and I say me never want to do it. But me I give my little 2 cents upon it and let people know how I feel. Let's go. Jano, really and truly, me not have nothing with the man also, because you don't see how the world stay. The man do a little bit of bad and he might try to do it good. But me don't know if Mad COBRA know the area in Florence, South Carolina. Cause like me say, enough man drive from New York through that little corridor there. But let me show you something. And this just happened 2 hours or 3 hours ago, right now, in Florence County.
See right there on your screen. Deputies stopped a Jeep near mile marker 163 around midnight Friday. A search of the vehicle turned up roughly 6 kilos of cocaine and nearly $200,000. Now these 2 men, Casey Picaro and Jose Hernandez Servino, were taken into custody. They're both charged with drug trafficking and have since been released on $100,000 bonds each.
You see, when you drive through this, the police them in that little county there, them look for any and everything. You understand? And this is sometime when you are also, you have to take your time and do your research and know the little county them and the little state them you go through and see if the man them have, sometimes them have, what you call it, special stops with them do. Like me know Florence County. You see Florence County, like I say, that county there, should come through the 95. That's all them do. Now, me show you another clip of Florence County. Look at this.
Dollar cocaine bust in Florence won't be getting out of jail anytime soon. A judge has denied his bond, and police say he's an illegal alien from Trinidad, already out on bond for a murder charge in California. ABC 15's Tanya Brown was the only reporter in court today for his bond hearing.
34-year-old Sheldon Jr. Alexander stood before a judge Wednesday morning in Florence. He's charged in one of the largest drug busts in the history of Florence County. Deputies stopped him earlier this week for speeding on I-95 North in Florence. Major Michael Nunn with the Florence County Sheriff's Office shared some details with me regarding the traffic stop.
After the stop took place, these deputies are specially trained to recognize the signs of narcotics trafficking. This is dangerous work, and these guys put their lives on the line every day. This was a huge payoff.
Nunn says a search of the car led to 118 pounds of cocaine, $182,000 in cash, and a gun. The street value of that cocaine is worth $9 million. Police say further investigation found that Alexander is an illegal alien from Trinidad and was already out on bond for murder in California. A judge has denied his bond on the drug trafficking charges out of Florence.
We contend that the trafficking of narcotics on a level like this, an individual would truly be a danger to the community.
Alexander was quiet during much of that brief hearing this morning, but did have a question.
Can I ask a question now?
What's your question?
What is the reason for my bond being denied?
The judge told him his bond would have to be set by a circuit court judge. In the meantime, police tell me they're working with federal immigration officials concerning Alexander's status in this country. For now, he remains behind bars in Florence County. Tanya Brown, ABC 15 News.
Now, when you see that clip there, is a Trinidad youth from California and him come down to South Carolina. Same thing what happened to Mad Cabra happened to him. Only thing is him have 180,000 in the car, plus the man have must say 154 kilo, $9 million, and them catch him with a machine. This was last year, December, and he went to court in February of this year, 2023, and I guess he's still in court dealing with this, and then they're gonna extradite him back to California to face the murder charge. So, I want the man them know say, what happened to COBRA is not unique. They target certain cars, certain black people, certain Mexicans, certain kind of look, and they have it right out there in Florence, up and down that 95 corridor. So when you're going through there, you have to be very careful. I've seen where they've stopped a young lady with her kids and took her fucking money, saying that the drug dog smelled drugs on it. Now money passed through everybody's hand, and you know, it's gonna have all sort of smell upon it, and they grabbed the lady money. I think the lady got it back, and that deputy got fired. Now, I say that to say this. I am not supporting COBRA with drugs or anything like that. But what I am do supporting it is that, yo, the man I do, what him have to do. You understand? And I don't see a problem with that. I'm sorry. The best thing for COBRA right now is, like me said, them catch you red-handed. You might want to try, make sure the stop was legal, because what they do, they will stop you for anything and sometimes violate your rights. So make sure that stop was legal. If not, you're supposed to can beat this case if it's an illegal search. You saw in the last clip where you hear the sheriff said that his deputy is trained to spot illegal activity and stuff like that. I'll be honest with you. If them stop you and you're black and you look a certain kind of way, dog, them are gonna ask you a search. You understand? Them are gonna ask you a search. So you have to know that. Now, Mad Cabra, how long you hustle? From your hustle, you know, say you should have make a girl drive in another car in front of you, my youth. You see what I say? Or somebody in front of you with that, and then you there behind them. Sometimes you can't be too cheap. You understand? And sometimes you can't do it alone. So you have to set up the thing and make the thing set properly. You make somebody drive with that and you monitor them from behind. You understand? Sometimes, when all enough things, you have to have a car in front, the person will drive with the thing in the middle, and you there at the back. So sometimes a 3 car, if you want your thing land properly. Sometimes you have to spend to make it. But now teach a man them how to hustle, you know, or drug dealer or nothing. We just speak to that situation, yeah. You understand? If I did me that, a girl would have drive that, or a nigga or a man, and me up on the back. If enough, then a 3 car. You understand? Them boy are not smarter than blood clot we. Straight up. And that's how I feel about that. With that said, Mad Cabra, I wish you the best, dog. Like me say, you might have to plead guilty and try to get a lesser time. You know, that can come to a paid fine and little community work. Or, you know, you try attack it from a constitutional point of view. Make sure, you know, your rights was maintained, because them police, they wear body cam. so you can check out them thing there, you and your lawyer. But if not, it better you speed it up and get it over with, yo. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And like me say, me just give my opinion on the mad COBRA thing, cause a whole heap of people talk about it, but me just a talk about it how me see it and how me feel about it. Me not see nothing wrong with him though. The man I do what him have to do, dog, and that's it. And you know, yo, me just sorry them catch him, you understand? Sometimes him have to spend money, dog, and make the thing run properly. And that go for all of the man them me a listen me. You understand? And they can't be too bumbuckler, cheap. It's it to tear down on the business, America this. You understand? Now me did want to talk about Squash, cause me hear say Squash come out of jail. And like me did make me see somebody leave a comment the other day. And I want to talk about that. I was gonna talk about him in this video, but me will just do a separate little video upon Squash, cause me know say Squash would have come out of jail. Me not really check and do my research. Me just go from the comment where the boy the person make on the channel. Listen, my name is Countryman, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. And Shotty Mark, me not forget about you. And listen, Junglist, me not forget about you either. I'm out.